Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, November 15th. Hope everybody is doing great. Everything is good here. I have a few things to share with you this week. Not a whole lot, but some really cute stuff. A bunch of paper and paper goods. I do have some more things coming, but I'll have to save that for next week because they're not here yet. But anyway, let's get started. This is a paper pack from AC Cardstock that I got from HSN. They had a free shipping event recently, so I always, when I order from HSN, I wait for them to have free shipping, and this is on clearance right now. I paid $10.79 for it, but I saw online that it is now $9.49. So if you can wait till free shipping, hopefully it's still there if you want to pick this up. This is a 12 by 12 pack of primary cardstock, and it comes with 60 sheets, 15 colors, 4 of each color. I have a ton of these AC Cardstock paper packs, and they don't make them anymore, so that's why they're on clearance here. They have some at scrapbook.com, but they're more like $20 there. So this comes in a pack that's really nice to keep. It's really practical because you can put it in like your bookshelf, and then you can see like all the papers that are in there. These are the colors that are in this pack. So it says primary colors, but it does have some pink and key lime and, colors like that. Just like basic colors. I think it's more than primary. So this came out in 2019, and so I'm happy to have this selection. I don't think I have the primary color pack. I might have one already, but that's okay. These will definitely come in handy. And these are, let's see, these are kind of textured, but not as textured as some of them are. So I don't know if that makes sense. It says smooth, so I guess they count this as smooth. Looks like there's a mark on here. Yeah, I guess it is smooth. Textured has more of like the lines on it. So anyway, I did pick up that from HSN, and these are my Temu nails that I hauled recently. So I know it's kind of a weird combination of the designs, but these are the ones that fit my nails, so I had to work them this way. So I think they're still cute. They've got the gingerbread people on, let's see, 4 fingers, and then the snowflake ones, and then the stripes on my pinkies. So there's that. And then I went to Joann's. You know Joann's, and I've told you guys before about the one nearest me. It's like a tornado went through it. It really does look like that. I'm not exaggerating. But I looked online, and they had some new like Christmas paper pads on. It said they were in stock, so I went ahead and ordered them for pickup, and of course they were canceled. So I went back and ordered them for pickup at the one that's a little bit further away from me because they were on sale. They were like half price, and then if you did a pickup, it was 20% extra off. So I really wanted to do it that way. So I did. And I got some other things too. I think all their Christmas decorations were either 40 or 50% off in their paper products. So I got these paper plates. Aren't these so cute? So these are, let's see, there's 8 plates, and they were $6.99, but of course, I think it was 50% off, could have been 40% off, plus the extra 20% off. So it turns out to be a decent price. So I picked up 2 of these. We always entertain for Christmas. My family comes, stays for a few days, so have a great need for paper plates. They never go to waste, and I just love these, and they're really nice and big too. So I thought these would be good for either like cookie platters or dinner plates. So I got those, and then I got this kind too. These are really cute, the gingerbread house with the gingerbread people, and these are square, but they're like kind of cupped on the sides so things won't spill out. And the same thing with these kind of go up on the sides. This again, this was $5.99 for 8. And so I got 2 of those. These measure 9 by 9. These measure 12 1/4 by 11.9. So yeah, really nice big plates. So I got those, and then the paper pads I got 2 of the same. I got one 12 by 12 and one the 6 by 8 or 6 by 9. And it's this new one from Park Lane. It's called, I don't know, they don't have names anymore, do they? It says Holiday Paper Crafting. They had some other designs as well, but this was like the funnest one, I thought, like the most whimsical. So I got this. This was $19.99, but it was on sale for $9.99 and then an extra $2 off. So, you know, it was $8 for this nice big paper pad, 48 sheets, 24 designs, 2 of each, has foil accents, and it's 73.9 pounds. So it includes 40 accent tags. I will do a flip through for this to show you guys what's in here in case you want to get it. Nice paper, it's nice and matte too, and there are these cute little elves. I'm not, you know, into gnomes or anything, but the elves I like. These guys are cute, and there's boys and girls, different colors, so, you know, just for everybody, something for everybody in here. And it's got holly leaves, or, yeah, holly, I was going to say mistletoe, but yeah. And then this page has a pink background, and it's got a cute gingerbread, well, 2. There's a boy and a girl, the cookies, and then it's white pine branches and different ornaments and candy canes. It looks like you're kind of looking into a white Christmas tree. So I really like this one a lot with the vintage kind of retro looking ornaments. So there's that. And I did use a paper, but I don't know if it was in this one or the smaller one, we'll see. The next page is this like dark red background with white snowflakes, different sizes and shapes. So very cute. And then look how cute this is. That Santa is just adorable. And I'll try and zoom in on this in my post. So anyway, there's Santa. Let's see, he's in his red truck with presents in the back. He's got the cute wreath on the front grill. And then you have Santa climbing into a chimney with his pack of presents. Here he is down inside the family room talking to a mouse, getting ready to put out his presents. And then here he is just being cute. And yeah, looks like all the different, those are the different elements. And then there are like these garlands too in circles with different ornaments on the white pine branches. And it's just beautiful, a nice like pale minty green background. And it's just so cute and whimsical, I think. And then here's a page just of the gingerbread people on a pink background. This one has little snowflakes on it. Very cute for your gingerbread projects. And then this one has some foil accent on the ornaments. And it's really, really pretty. Just very subtle. If you could see that. Yeah, I like this a lot. Love the colors. There's reds and the mint greens and pinks, whites, even a turquoise too. Okay, this page, oh, look at this. It's got like the Santa mugs in a scatter, and then the ribbon candy canes, the gingerbread cookies. This is a black background. It's got like little, kind of like snowflakes on there too, peppermint candies. Love this. I love the black background of this. The next page is kind of just a generic plaid with greens and mint green in the back of that. It's okay. I love this paper. It's a aqua background with different snowflakes on it. It's just so pretty. I always love when paper pads have this kind of page in them, and a lot of them do. This one I thought was just one of the prettiest pages. This is a pale pink background. It's got foil accents, white Christmas trees with pink garland, different sizes, and then you could see the foil like snowflakes in the background. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. Looks very vintage to me. So 2 of those, of course. And then another plaid. This is red and pink, which is fine. Good to go with some of the, I don't know, more solid papers, I guess. And then here is a scatter of just Santas, some with his full body, some with just his face. And he just looks so cute and jolly. I love his red cheeks and red nose. That is a cute Santa. In the background is a dark green, and there are snowflakes there as well. So cute. I'm glad I got these. And great price too, $8 for these. Okay, and here's a red background with all the different peppermint and gingerbread treats. Cute, and these are pretty small too, so you can use this on a smaller project for sure. I don't know why I'm having trouble flipping through. Oh, this is also a gorgeous page. So this one has the gingerbread houses are done in the foil. It's more like a pearlized foil, I would say. I don't know. I guess it's foil, but it's not like, you know, mirror foil. It's definitely more pearl. So this has a gingerbread color background with the white design on it. It looks like a big gingerbread cookie to me. And I love the houses. So cute, right? We need a whole pad of this. Okay. Sorry. Let's go here. Okay, the next page has all the pine trees with some Christmas trees in there as well. Very pretty. Here's like a big layout page, but of course you can divide it up if you wanted to. It's got Santa in his red truck, just like that first page, but this one has, you know, it's bigger, obviously. And I like the background design too. Beautiful, very beautiful. And then here's like that one with the Santas on it, but this one has a black background, a couple different colors. Maybe smaller. I think this one's smaller. Here's a scatter of the word joy, and that's done in like peppermint. And it's got green ribbons on the O as well. And then this is a big giant plaid. This would be good to use for an envelope. That's what I would do with that. And then look at this snowman. How cute is he? He looks very jolly and dapper in his red hat, red scarf. He's got a candy cane, an aqua background with snowflakes. And yeah, it's really, love it. What a good job the artist did. This is just so nice. The colors are beautiful. And then this one has retro looking deer. You've got the buck and then the baby with the little spots on her. And they both have ribbons on them. This one has a wreath around his neck. And then holly leaves just interspersed throughout. That is adorable. Here's some more foil paper. Isn't that pretty? Oh. The snowflakes are all foil, and then there are the holly leaves with the aqua backgrounds. And then this is beautiful too, red background with all the peppermints, but definitely blown up. Not too big though. And then here are the cut aparts, and there's foiling on some of them. As you can see, the background of Merry and Bright. This one is foil too, 'Tis the Season. Here are some smaller ones. Let It Snow, Merry Christmas. Dreaming of a Pink Christmas. Oh, love that. Deer, the gingerbread, Believe, Ho, 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 little journaling spot or a list. Holly Jolly, 'Tis the Season, Santa Stop Here. These are, love them. Okay, so that is all of them. And again, it doesn't really have a name. It just says Holiday Paper Crafting, unless there's one on the back. Nope. But anyway, that's it. And then I did get the 6x8 one, and let's just go through this quickly to see if there's any difference. It says 48 sheets, 24 designs, 2 of each. This one I think this was much cheaper than this one. I think it came out to be like $6 maybe? No, this one was $8, so this one must have been, well, I forget what it was, but anyway, it was 50% off, then 20% off. Okay, so we have the elves, got this. Maybe it'll be better if I just flip through it like this. Just looking to see if anything's different. I love that this one has foil too. Lots of times in the smaller paper pads, they don't include the effects or the special effects. Okay, so I used some of that one. But yeah, there's foiling on these, which is really nice. Looks like everything the same, even this page. Some trees. So that's a little bit more manageable for me to use it in a smaller scale. Even that, this is still huge. Let's take a look and compare the different plaids because, okay. Yeah, it's smaller, but it's still really big. All right, so it seems like it's going to be the exact same thing. Yeah, maybe less tags on this one. But yeah, it's good to have 2 different sizes, especially if you really like it. So that's why I got that. And then I also got, 2 more things. I got some more basil paper. It was 10 for $3 again. So I got some more almond cream, which I've cut into already. This, as you guys know, is my favorite for making gingerbread projects, and it's almond cream. That's a number if you want to check it out, but it's basil paper, 10 for $3. So I didn't get 10, I just grabbed a few of each one that I wanted. So I got 3 of almond creams. This Joann's had this light yellow that I really like, and my Joann's never has it anymore. It's called chiffon, I think. Yeah, chiffon. And this one you can see is textured. I think you could see that, right? The almond cream is not as smooth. So I got a few of those, and then I got two more of the white embossed dot one, and this one's called Salt. I use this a lot in baking theme projects or even snowy projects, so figured I would have some more. Can never have too many of those. And then the last thing I got from Joann's was this beautiful ribbon. This was $5.99, but it was on sale. I think this was like even 60 or 70% off. I don't remember. I'm sorry, and I don't know what I did with my receipt. But this one I bought in the store. So this was, okay, how much is in here? 7/8 of an inch by 3 yards. So isn't that pretty? It's like a grosgrain ribbon, I think. Let's open this up. And it was good because the email I got that my order was ready to pick up, it had a 20% off coupon at the bottom of it. So I used that for the things that I bought just in the store, like this paper and the ribbon. Everything else I picked up. So this is the ribbon, and it's single-sided. I think this will be nice to wrap presents in. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to do a quick video one of these days of all like the wrapping paper and cards and ribbon and trims and stuff that I got, because I got some really pretty, I've been collecting some really pretty wraps and stuff for this season. So I thought I would just do a quick video of that. But anyway, so this will go with some of the wrapping paper that I picked up. It's got the nice different peppermints on it. It's wide, but not too wide. It'll be nice for wrapping presents, I think. So that was that. And yeah, that is all I have to share with you in my haul this week. I think I told you guys I was going to a craft show last weekend with my daughter. It was so much fun. I got a ring, but I forgot to wear it today. I'll have to show that in another video. And I got an air freshener for my car. It smells like pine, smells so good. And oh, we got some maple tea too, which was very nice. And then this weekend I'm going to go visit my friend at her house in Pennsylvania again. We're just going to have a nice girls' weekend. And I've been decorating too. I've been spending a lot of time decorating this week for Christmas, which has been really fun. And I've been crafting a lot too, so I'll have a Scrap Diva Designs video coming out probably on Saturday. So I have some more cute, like Christmassy gingerbread candy cane theme projects. So stay tuned for that. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are new, welcome. And thank you for joining us here. I'd love it if you would stick around and subscribe. To everybody who's been following me for a while, thank you guys. I'm so glad you're here and that you keep coming back, and just love being part of this YouTube community with you guys. All right, so that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you want to see like a gift wrap trim kind of video. Maybe nobody wants to see that, but I don't know. I will definitely make one if you guys want to see it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Until the next crafty video, I hope you guys have a great day and great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.